Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to edit stretch images in Calibre. So there are ways on how to edit stretch images in Calibre, and this time I will be showing you through using page layout. All you have to do is open Calibre, and in the right click of your book or on the upper side you have to tap on the plus icon and then add your book. Now inside your book you have to locate the image in the left side bar. Click images and find the stretch image, usually JPEG or PNG, and then click to preview. So let's just say this one right here. Now what you're going to do is you have to look for the preview. Basically, you can preview this using the Calibre preview. Now what you're going to do is you have to right click and you have to look for the preferences. So anyways, if you want to change the font size, you can also change the font size right here. And if you want to change the layout, you can use the code. If you know how to use the code, then basically in Calibre, you can fix stretch images via page layout CSS settings. So you just have to look for a CSS file under styles and search for rules. Or you can just basically look for the page layout right here and then change the sizes. Now, once done, you can now look at the result or the preview. If you're not satisfied, then you can go back to preferences and then change the sizes or the page layout right here. And other ways also, you can convert again if you want. So basically, you can click convert books and then go to page setup. You can ensure input profile, output profile, and do not disable image size rescaling. And basically, this is just one of the ways and how to edit stretch images in Calibre. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.